Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to talk about how to land your first remote VA client even with zero experience. If you've ever tried to get started as a virtual assistant, you've probably heard the same frustrating advice: get experience first. But here's the problem: how do you get experience if no one gives you a first chance? In this video, I am going to break that loop for you. And no, you don't need a portfolio, a certification, or years of experience to get your first client. Research consistently shows that the majority of small business owners who've hired a VA for the first time say the number one factor in their decision was attitude and communication, not years of experience, not a portfolio. What they're really asking if they look at you is, will this person show up, communicate clearly, and actually care about doing the work well? That's something you can demonstrate from day one. Let's talk about who actually hires beginners and why. First are small business owners. They have more work than they can handle, a limited budget, and no time to manage a complex hiring process. They need someone reliable who they can train their own way. Second are coaches and consultants. Solo professionals buried in admin tasks they find draining. What they need most is consistency and clear communication. And third, early stage startups. They're moving fast, they value learning ability over long resumes. And one person who shows up every day and pays attention is worth more to them than an experienced contractor who's barely present. Here's something that surprises a lot of people new to VA work. Your experience from before probably already counts. If you've done customer service, that's inbox management and client communication VA work. If you've done any kind of office admin, that's calendar management and executive support. If you've run a personal social media page, that's social media VA skills. If you've done research, data entry, or worked in spreadsheets, that's research VA, data management, or e commerce operations. You're not starting from zero, you just haven't relabeled your skills yet. Now, here's your plan: 7 days to your first client. Days 1 and 2, write down your top 3 transferable skills. Be specific, not I'm organized. Just say, I managed a 5-person team's inbox and calendar for 18 months. Day 3, write your outreach message. 3 sentences: who you are, what you can do for this specific person, and a clear ask for a 15-minute call. Day 4 and 5, send that message to 10 people, not 100, just 10. Choose thoughtfully. Day 6, follow up with anyone who opened it or responded. And lastly, day 7, refine the message based on what you are hearing. Your first client is not waiting for a perfect portfolio. They're waiting for someone to make it easy to say yes to. Show up with clarity and genuine interest in their work. That is the whole game at the beginning. If you find this video helpful and useful, subscribe to the Remote VA Institute for free lessons. Share this with someone who's just getting started. It might be exactly what they need. See you in the next one.